She just poo. Just showing you guys so you guys believe me, because I just, maybe some person want to believe that a cat could just use your litter box. Maybe she have a litter box down there. I tell you that this cat have a owner, guys. Or she's just smart. Look at her either. Or she knows the dirt from outside, so she know that it's for that purpose. But yeah, this is it. If this was my cat, I wouldn't have to train her to use a litter box, because she can use it already. Anyway guys, I just wanted to show you that in this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I tell you, this cat can yum. I don't know, but she can yum. She yum a lot. She eats a lot. She don't know when to stop. As long as food is in the thing, she's eating it. Anyhow, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Peace. I'm out.